All clear glass. We couldn't have picked a better timing. We couldn't have picked a better timing. Problem is where we're putting everything. Oh my gosh. Oh, I need two more, don't I? Don't I need two more? Let me see. There's six apiece. Gosh, I don't know if I'm gonna do that. Let's put that down with its friends. You guys know I love to do that. Four on this. I don't think this is the original stopper. It's got a thumb. Yeah, sorry. What I'm looking for, it might be because, you would have scratch lines where the stopper would end, and there isn't any, and that's cork. So I don't know. I'm not sure on that. Looks like Cambridge and Fostoria is here, but let's keep going. 50% off clear glass. They had me at hello. How cute are these? Yeah, we already know how cute they are. They're so cute. We're taking them all. Got it. Now the question is, do I want their ants and opals? Is that a match? Well, by God, it is. So, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, $12 on that. Honestly, I don't have room on my car for this. Grayson is not with me. He is boycotting me in the car. I think because we're considering going to Charleston from here to Source. And I think I have to know and choose my battles when it comes to autism. I have to definitely decide if I want him to be happy for the remainder of the day, that people can see it. If I want to be happy for the remainder of the day, I will just ask to do the minimal in the beginning. We'll still go through like another go round. We'll pop through another go round on that. $1.50 for a cake platter. Is this Imperial? It's got the inverted bubbles on the other side. Gosh darn it. I've got two glass shows coming up in May. If you're on my whatnot, you will see those. I think I'm going to put it down. I'm thinking of space. If you go to my whatnot, you will see the vintage fox, and then you'll see what I have going. But they're back to back, 2 days in a row glass. Might save these for that occasion. Maybe. Anything that looks like this gives me Lalique vibes. There's just no way, though, that they would have that for $2, right? And I can assure you, I do not. Look at our cart. Look at the beautifulness. Put that there. All right, let's do our round again. Stop it right now. Are they considering this clear? Please. What does that say? 15. Oh my God. I don't know. But I'm guessing not, because that's definitely yellow. I'll ask somebody. That's definitely yellow. Okay, we'll go around. We'll ask though, just in case. Well done, store. Pretty. I wonder what year that Mikasa is. I don't know. I honestly don't know. Let me put it on the card so I'm not putting it in people's faces. I'm assuming they're, oh, like, I can't. I can't. How am I going to pass up all that Fostoria? Got a cart? Let me ask the ladies. Gosh, they have a beautiful store here, you guys. Really well put together. Well, I'll let you count first. You count. Question for you. Um, sure thing, sure thing. Okay, so clear as in literally clear glass, not the yellow glass. Okay, that's what I need to know. Super easy. Thank you so much. Okay, so not the yellow, which is fine. Fine, fine. I won't buy it, but also then, right? That was like beelining over. Oof, that's too much. Y'all know I do the oof. Too much. Hmm. I'm sorry, is my card in your way? Let's. That came out, so now we'll go back. Pardon me. Ooh, they want too much for that Waterford ginger jar. Okay, there's nothing really over here. If we're trying to stick to clear and use our money wisely, it's not even money. It's more like space, right? Like the space available. We're just gonna go look through the store now because it's possible that what's possible is that it's other places, not just there. Hmm. Oh, roadblock. Sorry. Sorry about that. Sorry. Wait, the camera fell a little bit. Sorry, guys. Well, I could see why there was a line out front. But I have to tell you, South Carolina and Georgia been very competitive. We'll probably take these for 5. There's no damage. There's a DPS base in the back, but yeah, we're gonna grab these. See, I need Grayson's help. That's heavy. 1, 2. Nice DPS for 3. It's a pretty color. Okay. We're staying focused for clear, but no. Clear but. Give a green tint on that. Oh, a tiny little swung. Very controlled, but cute. Now, we bought something like this yesterday at the Goodwill. Um, we actually bought it in the colors I wanted for my house. The yellow is pretty though, but not worth that. I believe it was 6 on that. This is just a contemporary piece. We got a card of jingles. Jingle, jangle, jingle. What about lavender glass? Are they going to consider this clear? Also, but it's only $2. Let me see. Yeah. Gosh, it's just too big. I want it. But while we're here, let's see if we've got any cats meow. Because I'm trying to get a whole bunch together. Here's one. How much? Ooh, $5 a piece. That can't happen. Sorry, I can't reach. Oh, I've never seen the tiny ones though. Taking that. Taking that. What year is that one? 85. We'll have to ask them how much that one is. So some are 5 and some are 50 cents. It's interesting. Ooh. Ooh, there's so much dust. Oh, Chrissy. I cannot believe you just dumped all that dust on yourself. Okay. $1. And this, we saw this yesterday, didn't we? Did we buy some? What is that? Okay. I don't know that arena. I don't know much about Kentucky. $5. Okay. Well, we've got some pieces that we'll put in there. We were able to get some. How much do they want? 5, so $2.50 each. And what did they want on the pair? 2. What do I know about this plate? Oh, it's got damage. Can't do it. Can't do it. They have 8 on this. I'm assuming that's not considered clear. Ooh, what do we have? I'll take that for $1.50. I already have a lot. That's interesting. What is that? Does that come up? Not that I can make happen. If it does, 5 on that. Not for consumption. I think those are candles, right? Okay, like, am I going to go put this back over with its friend? Probably. Probably, because I know me. I'm going to. Who's there? Oh, I'll take that for 50 cents. If I can reach the cart. Oh, darn. All right, I'm putting the other one back over there, too. Because I think they're pretty to have. Got it. Let's go. My cart, sorry. I do that all the time. I walk away to do something and my cart gets shopped over. What do you guys think on this one? So there's 3 for the 2. I don't know. I'm not sure. Now we've got 3. I wonder if there's 4. Do I want them with 3 of them? Okay, that scared me. You don't normally hear the word code anything. Unless you're in a hospital. I don't sell very well. I don't think it's worth my time, but there is one more thing we're flipping back around there for. I want to take one more peek at this because if I turned it around, it had info. Thing is I have those new contacts in, they're only distance. It's for your rings. It's $1. We're gonna take it. It's cute. What do we have here? $5. The lighting is not so good. I can't see it. Darn it. Did I tell you guys in my last video, while here on the island, I had, 2016, I had magnifying that was perfect. I found it in a thrift store. Absolutely perfect. And then I left it. I put it down accidentally. I thought I was going to, and I did. I've 100% chosen poorly today. I'm traveling, so I decided to put on jeans that were too big. Just so that they would be comfortable for traveling, you know? And here we are on the other side of me with them falling down as I walk. So, they're doing different prices on all of that. Oh my gosh, I love the giants. Where's that cloth? I need it. Is this vintage? Shut up. How old is this? I don't care. It's old enough. Coming with us. I don't even know what it says. What do you think it says? I don't know. No clue. Ladies, is the yellow going on sale anytime soon? The yellow glass? Like you see the jars?
Oh, up on that.
Yeah, that's what I was looking to see. Yeah.
Yeah.
Next week is Children's Club, so no idea.
So confirming, if I live in Orlando, don't stay tomorrow. Don't stay one more extra day. It's not going to help you. Sounds good. Oh, do you know why the difference in pricing for some of those? Some are just 50 cents and $1, and others are $5.
It would depend upon how much painting has been done.
Yes. Gotcha. Like, this guy is, well, oh, he's 5. Yeah, he's 5 too. Okay, I'll put him down. They're pretty though.
Well, that's just it. You know.
Clear, not clear. Not considered clear.
No, that's not considered clear.
Thank you. Oh, that's cute. All right, okay. I think I'm ready then.
Okay.
All righty, guys. Oh, no, you're fine. I'm gonna, yep. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go here. I want to open this. We'll open it outside. Hopefully it doesn't say anything horrible. Wouldn't that be funny if it did? And I'm like buying some not nice. Actually, I've got one more thing I'm gonna look at really quick. Let me just confirm Grayson's okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. He's happy as a clam sitting in there. This is what I wanted. Surely they would consider this. Let's give it a go. Let's see what the ladies say on that. $5 for King's Crown. I have no room in the car for any of this. Like, literally none. We didn't go into the last room. Maybe we should. Again, these are so 4 a piece. Ah! Wait 1 second. I would love a vintage Parmesan shaker. I really would. Beautiful plate. What do they have on it? Culver 14. That's a really pretty plate. Iris Cinnabar. Very pretty plate. Okay. He walked by my card again. That I had to grab it again. I don't know how many times I could tell him. It's mine. I didn't think I had to be that competitive in a thrift store.